Hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased technical analysis. And it looks like we had ourselves a Freaky Friday. Alright, if you don't know what Freaky Friday is, the one that I'm familiar with is the Lindsay Lohan and Jamie Lee Curtis movie where their souls switch bodies. Well, Thursday we had a pretty bearish day where the price action was looking bearish. Strong rejection from the multi-year trend line at 371. Got the close below the 23.6 retracement level as well as the 20-day moving average on Thursday. But guess what? Freaky Friday, because it went from bearish to bullish real quick. With the next day, the bulls just stepped up and squeezed out the shorts. So let's go. All right, so here we have the multi-year trend line recaptured again. Question is, can the bulls hold this critical level next week at 371? Because we've had a couple of recaptures and both recaptures just did not work out, which led to false breakouts. So can the bears give us another false breakout setup? Okay, so you know how I always give you guys a bear case scenario and a bull case scenario, because my videos are not about predictions. Uncle Charles is not about being right or wrong. I don't care if I'm right, I don't care if I'm wrong. I just want to be green on the day, and I want my viewers to be green as well. So I try my best. I believe it's better to try to give a bull case scenario and a bear case scenario so we can be prepared to react on either scenario that happens. All right, I feel like it's better than trying to act like I can see the future when clearly I cannot see the future. It'd be a waste of time to do predictions. As a matter of fact, I think it's irresponsible to make predictions, because I might be able to make a prediction, and when I'm wrong, I might be able to cut loss. Might. But then I could have viewers, I could have followers and subs who take my word like it's the Holy Bible, and then, try to follow my prediction. When it don't follow through, they still hold in the red, and that happens a lot because, not all traders are on the same level. Some are better than others. Some are worse than others. Okay, it's not about competition. I made this channel so I want us to all prosper. So, I don't do predictions because I want to be ready for any scenario, especially in a bear market. Bull market, easier to do prediction. Bull market, the trend is a buy the dip market. It's easier to swing. But in a bear market, it's a whole nother animal. Literally, it's a bear market. And fundamentals are usually not that good in bear markets. So yeah, in a bear market, the overall trend is down, but then the relief rallies, the bear market rallies are violent. They squeeze shorts out for a reason. They're not gonna make it easy for us. So that's why I honestly just day trade, and I play one level at a time. I don't look to predict anything like that. So, if that sounds good to you, definitely consider joining my Discord, because I go hardcore with these trade setups, okay? But for what I'm watching for next Monday, okay, this 371 must hold. If it back tests as a support, it needs to hold, okay? Keep the back test and go strategy in mind. I made a video about it, one of my favorite trading tactics of all time, okay? I have my favorite trade setups, the false breakout and the false breakdowns, but the back test and go strategy, that's one of my favorite trading tactics on how I enter trades, okay? So what that means is, if 371 tests, I want to see buying pressure. Like, I don't want to see no lingering around indecisive price action. I want to see buying pressure. That's where bulls need to step up. And as long as they hold, I got a level at 378. Okay, that's his downtrend line. Can we finally get the third touch of that downtrend line at 378? Bears would need to step up there. Okay, bears would need to step up there and hold this downtrend line at 378. If they fail, that will be a breakout with 380 in play, 382. Okay, I got a level around 386. And then 389 to 390-ish. Okay, we'll round it to 390, make it an even number. Okay, so as long as 371 holds, 370 got some resistance here at 375.2-ish with 378 above. Okay, 378 is breakout of this downtrend line. 380, 382, 386. I missed 388. Okay, there's a 388 level, previous low over here. Okay, 388 to 388.5, and then above that is 390. You guys got my levels? You guys can write it down, or add the lines on your charts. Okay, that's the bull case scenario. As long as 371 holds. Bear case scenario is if the bears can take out that 371 level and give us another false breakout setup. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna get that false breakout setup. I felt like market makers has been conditioning us to watch out for that and expect that at this point. But the market can do whatever it wants. We're not gonna impose our will. We're just gonna trade what's given to us. So below 371 is technically false breakout again, and that would put 379 and 360. Excuse me, not 379. Below 371 would put 369 and then 367.85 in play. That's my 23.6 retracement level. Below that, bearish. Okay, you could drop back down to the 20-day moving average, which is currently now at 366. Okay, below 366, bearish. Remember, we don't need like one close below a support or one close above a resistance level. Not enough. Always important to show follow through. That's the concept of the back test and go strategy. All right. So remember, below 371, I'm bear bias. Again, above 371, I'm short-term bull bias with the upside targets in play. Just let the price action guide you. All right. QQQ, breakout mode. All right. Got this downtrend line. And it's been respected since August high, September 12th high, October 18th, and October 20th high. That's 4 touches, got a breakout. And it also recaptured my 23.6 retracement level at 273. All right? My fib level. Some people don't like when I say retracement level. It's so sensitive. But yeah, fib levels for the sensitive people out there. As long as 273 holds, this breakout holds, and QQQ could give us a multi-day rally to the upside. Okay, next week above 273, next resistance I got is 277. That's the next critical one with the gap fill at 279.5-ish. Got a resistance around 282.8-ish, previous high, and then a critical one at 284. All right, 285-ish. Yeah, 285. That's 38.2 fib level. Okay, I would turn bearish again below 273. False breakout of this multi-month trend line and my 23.6 fib level. All right, guys. So turn bearish below 273. As long as 273 holds, I'm bullish on QQQ. Tesla. So I said in my last video about Tesla that as long as below 213, I'm bear biased. Okay, I had a level around 28.8. It cleared that intraday, and it closed at 214.44 above the 213 level. That 213 level is the 50% retracement level that I got. All right, all the way back in 2019. Excuse me, this one right here in May of 2019, all the way up to November 2021. 50% retracement levels at 213.15. Tesla recaptured that. False breakdown setup. So as long as 213 holds, the false breakdown setup holds, which is a bullish setup. We got upside targets 216, 218.3, 222, and 225. All right. If 213 fails, that's a false recapture. That is a false breakout. All right, turn back to bearish below 213 with 208. Well, I got 11 around 211 and 208.8, 206.8. Lower targets around what do I got? 204 and 202. All right, now let's end this with the option flow. Filter for 500K premiums or above. 86% in the puts. All right, still seeing big money betting to the downside. This one's pretty aggressive. Not too aggressive. It's in the money. But 3.2 million sweeps. All right. October 24th expiration date. Pretty close. Pretty close. This person right here. Big size. 27,000 in size. 1.8 million sweep. November 18 with a strike of 310. This person is making a bold bet, in my opinion. But we'll see, okay? They could be right. November 18, right? They got time. Okay. Triple Q. And overall bearish on Triple Q as well. Yep, 71% in the puts. Not seeing anything that really sticks out to me, at least based on my criteria. Tesla, 62% in the puts, okay? Alright, so big money's overall bearish on it, but not seeing any contract that sticks out to me. Okay, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I still got some coupons available if you want your first month off, $55 off your first month. Okay, I think only paying $20 if you still want to stay. Then it's $75 a month after that for the Discord. Okay, so use your coupon and join Uncle's Discord. Get your first month for a discount. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Peace.